Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Palantir today. You guys can see I already did a price prediction. I was prepared to see the market in Palantir go down, and what can I say? It did. We were already in position to capitalize off of a 24.62 movement to the downside. We won. We beat the market. We made money. That's the name of the game, right? Is to come through and make money. Everyone who participates in stocks is all about one thing: making money. Now, however you derive how you make your money, it's up to you. But I'm here to show you that the easiest way for us to make money in stocks is by looking at price. Yes. Allow me to show you how I do it. I just look at the price chart. I don't look at anything else outside of price, because price is truth. When you come in and buy a stock, when you come in and sell a stock, it has been recorded. And every trade, every transaction has been recorded that we can actually see on the chart. That is why I predicted Palantir was going to continue to go down, because the market was reflecting that. You guys want to join me, right? Cool. Doors are open. Hit the like button. Share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. I would also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because I'm here to give you a heads up. I'm here to give you the edge. That's the edge that we have, is predicting where price is going to go. Now, let's see, because maybe Palantir may have enough juice to go up. If that's the case, then I'm going to drop a price prediction looking for Palantir to go up. Just that simple. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. You guys can see it. I did it on April the 28th. All right. You guys can go back and see the video again. It's still there. I'm not BSing none of you all. Go back and listen. You guys can see what price has done since then. It went down. You guys can see right here, May the 9th, we got that 24.62% out the market. Done. All right, let's take that away. Let's try to see what the market in Palantir is trying to do now, because things has changed, right? Yeah, things are looking different here in the market in Palantir. Now, you guys can see that I got support. Well, it was acting as support back in the beginning of May at $10.25. What I'm going to do is, since we see price in Palantir on a uptrend, we are going to utilize this line now as a restriction point. Okay. We are going to utilize this line as a restriction point. Now, you guys can even tell that Palantir is on an uptrend. This is fantastic, because it gives us information. If the market in Palantir truly was weak and people wasn't buying the stock, we would not be seeing the market in an uptrend. So pretty much this video is going to be about how high can we see price go, right? We want to be positioned to where we think price is going to go, so we can get out the market right before price begins to dip again, right? So let's look at this market in Palantir on the 2-day. Okay. Every price bar that we're looking at right now is 2 days worth of price action. Look at that one. That looks pretty strong, because if the market in Palantir wasn't that strong, we would not be seeing the price close at the high of the bar. I mean, think about it. Look at this one. This 2-day price bar from May the 12th. Price is still showing strength because of what happened on this last 2-day price bar. Okay, that's good. 3-day. Again, we're seeing instances to where the market is trying to go up. You cannot be deceived when you look at price. That's the only thing you need to pay attention to, is the price. You don't need to look at no Fibonacci retracements. You don't need to look at no stochastics, no MACDs, no RSIs, none of that. We can still tell that buyers are trying to move this market higher in Palantir. I like it. Look at this on the 5-day. Weekly time frame. Look at this on a weekly. Okay. You guys can tell even from this last weekly price bar right here, which was on May the 9th. Here we are today. We're getting the same type of price action. Market is trying to go up. It's just that simple. I'm going to predict that Palantir is going to continue its upward move. The problem is how high. The problem is how high, right? I'm not one of these YouTubers out here telling you all to hold the stock for the next 50,000 years, and hopefully the price will be higher than when you originally first bought. That's ridiculous. There's opportunities every day that the market trades. Why would you want to keep your money locked up for 50,000 years? You can't do nothing else with that money once it's in a position. You know that, right? So while you sit and wait for the market to make you some money, you could have been using that money somewhere else to do just that. Make you money. That's the whole point. But these YouTubers want you to out here hold on to these stocks for the 15,000 years because one day, just one day, the market may actually recoup some of the losses that you're in. Let's take a look at the market in Palantir on a monthly time frame. Okay, so looking at this on a monthly time frame, you can actually see that there's still some weakness mixed in. This is not a long-term strong market right now in Palantir. My focus, my attention is going to be up here around $11.50. From a monthly perspective, we can actually see Palantir go to $11.50. Now, I'm here telling you that on May the 28th, 2022, right? The only problem that's going to be in the way is $10. See, I'm prepping your mentality to see how high price is going to go. That first price target that I'm going to list on this video is going to be $10. My second one is going to be around 11 to 11.50. All right. Now, let me run this back to the daily time frame because, like I told you, I'm already looking for the price to go up in Palantir. Okay. Namely, as long as price keeps itself above this ascending line, as long as price in Palantir holds this ascending line that I got created, it's going to go up, period. As long as Palantir trades above $7.60, well, let me bring it down a little bit lower. Right here, $7.25. I'm going to look for the market in Palantir to go up too. See, we already in position. We know how to act when price goes down to break that ascending line. We know, hey, we might need to cut the play. If price breaks $7.25, hey, we may need to cut the play because the market is not reflecting any strength. Right now it is. So let's look at this. $10 is that first location. Okay, that gives us 12% run up. Okay, it's going to be around $10, maybe a little bit less, right? I'm just trying to gauge how high the market's going to go in Palantir. It's going to be around 10 though. It might fall a little bit short, so just relax if the market in Palantir falls a little bit lower than $10. Okay. Now that second level, do you guys remember what I said? Was right here around $11. That's my second level. Okay. My third area is going to be up here like $11.50 or so. That's a 30% run up. Now this $11.50 price target is going to be a while. It might take us a while. Give it a month or so for us to let this price run up to $11.50. Now, I know you're going to have individuals who pump Palantir all the time. They're going to come and act like they've done something fantastic, but it's due, right? The market is due for a move higher. When you see a stock like Palantir in a complete downturn, there will be times to where you get a lift. And now they're going to come out and act like they have done something fantastic that they call the market, yet and still they've been calling the market to go up all the way since last year. So I'm here to give you all the heads up. I'm looking for the price in Palantir to go up. $10 first, $11 second, and $11.50 is third. All right, so we'll just have to see how high the price goes. But those are the three price targets that I'm mentioning on this video. Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment real quick and let me know, where do you all think the price in Palantir is headed before the market even gets there? That's how you're going to win. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.